guys, mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Monica. Welcome. Before we get started, I'd like to invite you guys to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you can get notified every time I upload. Also, if you are feeling extra nice today, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up before exiting this video. Alrighty guys, so today's video is not gonna be another unboxing. I thought I'd do a reaction video on the new Louis Vuitton collection that's gonna be coming out pretty soon. I believe October or November. You know, this is also a great way for you guys to know what's coming out if you do decide to pre-order something, because most of the time when something nice or cool is coming out, it gets sold out really quickly. This way you'll be able to know and contact your SA to pre-order. That way you can get your hands on it before anyone else. So the first bag that I want to show you guys is this dice inspired bag. I thought this one is really cute, although I don't think it is for everyone. If you have a really unique style, I think you can definitely rock this. You have the clover spade all over the bag, and yeah, I really think it's cute. It's just I don't think it's gonna be practical for an everyday use, especially with the design. When I first saw this, I was like, how hard is it gonna be for me to open and close that, and how annoying would that be to put things in and out of there. I do love the monogram handle. I thought that was really cute. I've also been seeing a lot of the bags that Louis Vuitton has been coming out. It comes with the chain. I don't know how I feel about that. I think it's really cute and it adds character, but I feel like Louis Vuitton, you don't need to put chains on all your bag. I think it's really cute. Like I said, it's not for everyone. I'm definitely gonna be passing on this, but I do like, you know, the uniqueness of it. Alright, so the next bag that I want to show you guys is this Petite Mall bag. This reminds me of the multicolor collection that Louis Vuitton came out with a few years ago, or not really a few years ago with Takashi Murakami. That one, I really love that collection, guys. I hope they come out with it again. But yeah, it reminds me of this, so I think that's the reason why I'm drawn to it. I love the color combination, and I just really think it's so cute. You can use this as a clutch, you can use this a crossbody bag. I've seen a lot of people review the Petite Mall. You can't really put a lot, but as an evening bag, I think it's really cute. Alrighty guys, on to the third one. I mean, I don't have anything to say about this. It's definitely a no for me. I mean, where can you really wear this? I feel like this one looks too clownish. I really don't like this bag, guys, to be honest with you. It's different, and it's different in a bad way. I mean, if I see someone wearing this, I'd be like, I mean, where did you buy that? Is that even Louis Vuitton? It does not look anything like what Louis Vuitton would make. So this one is definitely a no for me. So they're also gonna be coming out with this twist bag design right here. When I first saw this, I was like, it reminds me of Skittles. I don't like it. They also came out with different designs for this bag, and I'm not feeling it. I'm honestly not loving it. It's definitely not something that I see myself wearing, so a definitely pass for me. I do love this, guys. Oh my gosh, I think this is really pretty. If you guys own the reverse monogram of this style, you guys are lucky, because that one is also hard to get. This one also comes in the black color. This one is okay for me. It's not that bad and it's not that great either. I don't own a Dauphine bag. I don't know how you pronounce it. Maybe that's the reason why I don't own it, because I don't even know how to pronounce it. But it just doesn't attract me. It's something that I probably wouldn't purchase in any style. But yeah, that one is okay, but definitely, you know, not an eye catcher or an eye candy for me. They also have this bag which is more simple, but I feel like it's way too simple. It's just like all white. It's definitely something that when I see it at the boutique, I'm definitely not gonna, you know, gravitate towards it. Now this one is a heart-shaped bag. I think it's really cute, but it's not something that I would get either. I feel like if I own this, I'll get tired of it easily and probably end up selling it in the future. It's definitely not a classic, so it's not gonna stay forever. Ooh, now let's get on to the Speedy, guys. I do really love this because if you know me and been following me here on YouTube, you know that I love monogram style. This is really cute. I can definitely see myself, you know, owning this. I love the color pattern. I just think the heart is really cute, and it looks like the vachetta is already treated as well. That's why it's a bit dark, but yeah, that one is really cute, guys. What do you guys think about that? Ooh, this one I really like because it reminds me so much of the multicolor. I love that the handle is black, that way you don't have to worry about it, you know, getting dark, especially if you are the type of person that wears a lot of lotion or your hands perspire like me. This is definitely nice. I know they also came out with this one in black. Guys, I'm in love. I really like this. I have like literally nothing bad to say about this. I think this one is really cute. This is probably my favorite from all the collection. I love that it's black. I love that the handle is not vachetta, so you don't have to worry about dirtying it. I feel like the Speedies on this collection is gonna be the most popular. So guys, if you are, you know, eyeing on something, you better let your SA know, because I feel like the Speedies are gonna be flying out of the shelves really fast. Alright guys, so that's it for the video today. If you enjoyed this, please let me know in the comments down below. That way I know if I should keep on doing these types of videos for you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.